Hi, this is Lenny from A Lenny Locksmith. Doing this video naturally because of COVID-19. I just want to let our customers know we are open 24 hours. We are 7 days a week. We have many offices. We got West Palm, Boca, Sunrise, Hollywood, Boca Raton, West Palm, Port St. Lucie. We got Tampa, Orlando, Jacksonville, and so on. Okay, if you would like, you can call our 855-869-5625 or any of our local numbers. Just go on alennylocksmith.com and there's links for all the different cities, but it doesn't really matter. You could call any of the locations and they'll dispatch it to wherever you are. Okay, we'll help you with car keys. We'll help you with regular jobs if you're locked out, car lockouts, whatever you got. We'll be there for you. We know it's a need. I know if something happens, you're panicking. Don't panic. We're there. We'll come with our masks. We'll come with our gloves. We come all prepared. You know, we don't want to give it to you, and we don't want to get the virus. We're trying to stay virus-free. Thank God, so far, all of our employees have been virus-free. You know, I don't know if it's because of the mask and the gloves, but thank God we've been virus-free. Okay. Anything you need, any questions, call up the office. You know, if you want to talk to me, just tell the office to directly call me. Whatever you need, we are there for you. Whatever could calm you down, don't worry, we'll be there. If you get a car lockout, a house lockout, we're going to be 25, 30 minutes like normal. We're running on normal times. Car keys, same thing. Depending on the car key, you know, it might take a little longer with the programming, which will probably take about 10, 15 minutes. At worst case scenario, but even the car keys will be done quickly for you, so just don't panic. We're there for you, and any questions you got. If you even want to change your locks, you want to say, oh, with this pandemic, I'm afraid with my locks. If you want different locks, we can do that for you too. Rekey your locks, whatever you need. We're 100% operational, and we'll be there for you. Thank you.